my dear children, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. In the last video, I have teach you exercise for your brain power. Have you practiced that exercise? Whenever you find time, practice that exercise. Definitely it will improve your brain power. Okay. In the last session, what we have discussed, children, about sixth table and a new chapter. What is the name of the chapter? How many squares? What is the chapter number 3? Okay. Have you remembered the sixth table? Very good. In today's class, we are going to learn a new concept, an important concept, that is about area. Okay. Let us start our class. Okay. What is the definition of area is? I give you a very simple definition, children. The space occupied by an object is called its area. Let us see this definition by an activity. See here, what is this? This is an exam pad. Now I am going to place this exam pad in the board. Okay. See here, I have already drawn the outline for this exam pad. Okay, this is the outline for this exam pad, and also I have the shaded this region. Okay, now we call this shaded region as area of exam pad. That is, the region enclosed by the outline of the exam pad is called its area. Now you read the definition. The space occupied by an object is called its area. This is the space, that is the shaded space is the area covered by the exam pad. So we call this shaded portion as the area of exam pad. It's clear, children? See, next I am taking diary. Now I am going to place this diary in the board. Already we have drawn the outline for this. This is the space covered by this diary. So we call this shaded portion as area of this diary. It's clear, children? Once again we are going to read the definition of area. What is mean by area? The space occupied by an object is called its area. Okay. Next we are going to see the formula for calculating area of square and then area of rectangle. See here. What is mean by square? All the sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degree. We have seen in the previous class. Okay. Square means all the sides are equal. That's why we are taking the constant as A. That is, we are taking the variable A to represent the length of the side. Suppose the length of this side is A, means this side also A, this side also A, this side also A. That's why we are taking A on all the sides of the square. Okay. How do you give the formula for calculating the area of square is, in generally for the two-dimensional shape. Two-dimensional shapes means square, rectangle, circle, triangle, parallelogram. Such shapes are called two-dimensional shape. Okay. What are three-dimensional shapes are like cube, cuboid, sphere, ball, like that. They are called three-dimensional shape. Okay. Usually for two-dimensional shape, we can give the basic formula to calculate the area is length into breadth. Okay. You have to multiply its two sides. Okay. Here what are the two sides of square? One side is A, other side A. All the sides are here A only. So by multiplying its two sides, we get the formula for calculating the area of square. That is A into A. We have to written in exponent form. That is A 2 into 2. You can be written it as in exponent form 2 power 2. Like 3 into 3. It can be written as 3 power 2. It means you have to multiply the 3 2 times. Like that. Here we are multiplying the two sides of the square. That is A into A to get the area of square. So shortly we are writing A square. That is formula for area of square is A square units. What about the square units? What is units? In Tamil they are saying alagugal. Okay. Square units means sadra alagugal. That is, while we are finding the area of square, we are multiplying the length of the sides. That is, if you are multiplying, suppose we take the area side of the square as 3 centimeter. Okay. So all the sides to be 3 centimeters. So to find we have to multiply its two sides. That is 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. So what is your answer? 3 into 3, 9. So centimeter into centimeter, we are writing centimeter square like this. 3 into 3, 3 square. 2 into 2, 2 square. A into A square. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. This centimeter square is called square units. This 2 is called square and these units represent this centimeter. Suppose in the question they given the length as centimeter means you get the answer in centimeter square. In meter means you get the answer in meter square. In kilometer means you get the answer in kilometer square. Have you understand, children? Thus, what is the formula for area of square? You may use this formula also, A into A square units. You can also write this formula. You can also write this formula. Both are correct, children. Okay? Definitely you have to write square units along with this formula. You can also use the short form, that is SQ dot. It means square. SQ dot units. Thus, what is the formula for area of square? Area of square equal to A into A square units or A square unit. Usually many of us following this formula only. Okay. Thus area of square equal to A square units. I understand, children. Next we are going to see the formula for area of rectangle. See here, children. This is rectangle. We can call this side as length and we are symbolically written as small l. Instead of writing length, we are using L in the short form. Similarly, we call this side as breadth. Okay. Shortly, we note it as small b. The other name for breadth is width. The short form of width is W. But we are going to follow length and breadth now. Okay. How we give the formula for area of rectangle? Area of rectangle, as I told, to find the area of two-dimensional shape, any two-dimensional shape, to get the area, you have to multiply its two sides, that is its length and breadth. Thus, we can write L into B shortly. Okay, L into B square units. Whenever you write area, definitely you have to write square units. The length are given in unit, that is centimeter only. But the area are given in square units. Why? We are multiplying the length and the breadth. We are multiplying the length and the breadth. We are multiplying the side and the side. So we get the square units. It's clear, children? Now we say what is the formula for area of rectangle? L into B square units. What is the formula for area of square? A square units. Definitely you have to memorize these two formulas. Repeat after me, children. Area of square equal to A square units. Area of rectangle equal to L into B square units. It's clear, children? Next we are going to see some problems based on this formula. Okay? See the first sum. They give one shape and what they are asking, calculate the area of the given shapes. First you have to identify what is the shape given it is. What is the shape? It is square. Why? All the sides are equal. This side also 3 centimeter. This side also 3 centimeter. This side also 3 centimeter. So, thus we have identified the shape first. What is the formula for calculating the area of square? Yes, A square unit. Here, what is the value of A, children? A equal to, you have to take this length, that is 3 centimeter. Definitely you have to write the unit along with this number. Okay. Thus A equal to 3 centimeter. Area of square equal to, write the formula, A square units. A square means you have to multiply the A 2 times. That is, instead of A we are writing 3 square centimeter square. Do you understand, children? Suppose in the question they are giving 4 means what will you write? 4 square centimeter square. 5 means 5 square centimeter square. It's clear, children? 3 square means 3 into 3. 5 square means 5 into 5. So 3 into 3, 9. Right centimeter square. Thus we have found area of this square. This is the shaded portion. We have found it is 9 centimeter square. It's clear, children? Okay. Next we are going to see the Next sum. What is the shape? See, all the sides are equal? No, only the opposite sides are equal. Here also 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter. It means this also 2 centimeter. That is opposite sides are equal. So what is the shape? Yes, very good. Rectangle. What is the formula for calculating the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle equal to L into B square units. Now what is the value of L? 4 centimeter. What is the value of B? 2 centimeter. You have to write the value. L equal to 4 centimeter. B equal to 2 centimeter. Now we are going to substituting this value in the formula. Instead of L, we are substituting 4 into. Instead of B, we are substituting its value 2. 4 into 2, 8, and write the unit as centimeter square. Centimeter square. It's clear, children? Thus, we have calculated the area of the rectangle as 8 centimeter square. It's clear, children? Next, children, what we are going to do is calculate the area of the shapes using square. So far, what we have discussed is we found the area of square and rectangle by using the formula. But now we are going to found the area of the given shapes by using the square. How? Let us see. See here, children. This is the given shape. The given shape is divided by the 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter square. See here. This is 1 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. So what is this shape? This is the square. By the side having 1 centimeter. This is also a square of side 1 centimeter. This is also a square of side 1 centimeter. That is, every square in this diagram having the side 1 centimeter. Thus, we have split the given shape into as a squares. Okay, I understand, children. Now we are going to calculate the area of this shape. Okay, how we are going to calculate? Listen carefully. This is 1 centimeter and this is also 1 centimeter. Now, what is the formula of this shape to find the area? Both the sides are, all the sides are equal. So what is the shape? Square. What is the formula to calculate the area of square? A square. Here A is 1. So 1 into 1. 1 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. I write here 1 centimeter square. What is the area of this square? This is also 1 centimeter square. Do you understand, children? That is, this side is 1 centimeter. This side also 1 centimeter. What is the area of this square? You have to multiply these two sides. 1 into 1, 1. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Do you understand? So this is also 1 centimeter square. 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 Similarly, we will write all the squares. Okay. Thus, we have found out the area of this all the small squares. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the area of this whole shape. Okay. So you have to add all this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This area equal to 9 centimeter square. It's clear, children? Now, what is the side of this shape? 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. That is 3 centimeter. That is all the sides are 3 centimeter. It's clear, children? So, what is this shape? What is the big shape? It is square. We have already seen in the problem. Area of the square is 3 square equal to 9 centimeter square. Using the formula here we have found out 9 centimeter square. Here without using the formula, using the squares we have found an area equal to 9 centimeter square. I hope you have understand. Shall we move to the next one? See here. What is the length of this side? 1 centimeter. Similarly 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So what is the area of this square? 1 centimeter square, 1 centimeter square. Like that, everyone you have to write it. You have 1 centimeter square, 1 centimeter square, 1 centimeter square. Like that we are writing. Now we are going to calculate the area of this shape. Okay. For that, what you have to do? You just count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thus area of this shape is 8 centimeter square. What is the shape, children? Yes, rectangle. What is the length of this rectangle? 4 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. What is the breadth of this rectangle? 2 centimeters. Already by using the formula we have found that area of the rectangle 4 into 2, 8 centimeters square. By using the formula also we get the same result. By using the square also we get the same result. Here without using the formula, using the squares, here we are finding the area. It's clear, children? What is the area of this? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 centimeter square. What is this shape? Square. What is the area of this shape? Here also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and this area is 1 centimeter square. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the area of this shape? 4 centimeter square. What is this shape, children? Rectangle. What is this shape? Square. This is square. This is rectangle. We can also, you can know both the formula to find the area of square and you know the formula for area of rectangle to calculate the area. Okay. Here we are using the square to calculate the area. I hope you understand both the formula method and using the square method to calculate the area. Okay. And this is the time for your assignment. What is your assignment is, you have to write your classwork as in the classwork PDF. Along with this video, you will have your classwork images. You just copy down the content in your classwork and do the homework sum which is given along with this video. You also have the homework images. Complete that homework. Okay. Thank you, children.